The 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland is the latest iteration of Tesla's popular electric sedan, featuring a significant facelift and several key improvements over its predecessor. Here's an overview of its key features. Exterior: sleek and refined design. The Highland boasts a redesigned front fascia, featuring a smoother hood, revised headlights, and a more aggressive front bumper. The taillights are now fully integrated into the trunk lid, enhancing the car's aesthetic. New aerodynamic details. Tesla has implemented various aerodynamic tweaks, including a more sculpted rear diffuser, to improve the car's efficiency and reduce drag. Improved build quality. Reviews suggest that Tesla has addressed some of the quality-related concerns raised about the previous model, leading to a more solid and luxurious feel. Interior: modern and minimalist cabin. The interior retains the Model 3's signature minimalist design, but features updated materials and finishes. The new seats are perforated for improved comfort and ventilation. Enhanced infotainment system. The central touchscreen has been upgraded with improved responsiveness and a more intuitive interface. The system also includes new features and functionalities. Increased interior space. The redesigned dashboard and center console create more space for passengers in the front and rear seats. Performance. Improved acceleration. Both the standard Range Plus and dual motor long range models offer slightly faster acceleration than the previous version. Enhanced driving dynamics. Tesla has revised the suspension and steering for sharper handling and better response. Longer range. The dual-motor long-range model now boasts an EPA-estimated range of 358 miles on a single charge. Technology: next-generation autopilot. The Highland comes equipped with Tesla's latest autopilot hardware and software, offering improved driver assistance features and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Improved connectivity. The car benefits from faster LTE connectivity and enhanced Wi-Fi capabilities. Software updates. Tesla's over-the-air software updates will continuously improve the car's performance and features over time.